Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making mini cheesecakes, and so I'm so very excited. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is line 12 muffin tins with cupcake liners. And I'm going to place one vanilla wafer in the bottom of each one, and this kind of makes it like the crust of it. And now I'm going to mix together 2 packages of cream cheese. 2 8-ounce packages. I'm going to add half of a cup of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to mix that together with an electric mixer until it's combined. Okay, so now that that's combined, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. And mix that well again. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the batter over top of this and until it's about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in the oven for 25 minutes. Alexa, I got the mini cheesecakes out of the oven and I let them chill for a while, and now they are ready to say eat. That you can put like fresh fruit on top of it, or any type of like filling or whipped topping, or anything that you really like on regular cheesecake. You can put on that, and like miniature versions. I might put a little bit of blueberry jam on top because we made homemade blueberry jam the other day, so I think that would be really good on top. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.